Introducing the ultimate HD boosts Discord Boost Bot.
After purchasing, you will receive these files. The first one is the bot.exe file from where you can run your bot, and the assets folder is where all your bot data will be, such as redeem keys, I will show the use of it later, proxies if you have enabled, your bot license key, a config file, this is where you will have to set up the bot, such as your bot token, livestock channel, automation channel, watermarking, etc. And a stock folder, this is where all your stock will be, such as 1 month tokens and 3 months tokens. An output folder, this is where all your bot output will be. An images folder, this is used for watermarking your tokens profile. And the database folder, this is where your auto delivery data will be. Alright, after setting up the config file with your settings, simply run the bot and wait until all commands are loaded. After you run your bot, you will get this access code in the automation channel which you specified in the config file. This is used to access the BoostBot dashboard, which I will be showing in the very last, so keep watching. And with that, if you have enabled, you will also get the live stock message. This is a dynamic live stock, which means it will change every time depending on the stock you have. You can use the / command and you will see all the commands of the BoostBot, and let me explain every command one by one. You can use the restock command to add tokens to the BoostBot. Simply run the command, choose whether you want to add 1 month or 3 month stock, and then select your upload method. You can either use the paste link, if you don't know it's an online paste bin, or you can select the file option. You will have to upload your tokens txt file here. And once you are done, just send the command and your tokens will be added to the BoostBot. Now if you want to see the stock of the bot, you can use the stock command. You will then see these options. All stock means it will show you both 1 month and 3 months stock. Both you and your members will able to use this command to see the live stock. And if you only want for 1 month or only for 3 months, you can select the other 2 commands. Let's showcase the boosting commands, in which the first one is boost servers. To start boosting a server, just use the boost server command, then you will have to enter the server invite link you want to boost, then you have to choose the number of boosts like 2x, 4x, or 6x and etc., then select the stock duration. You can choose between 1 month and 3 months, and the last is watermark. If you choose false, the tokens will have random names etc. And if you choose true, you will get other options from where you can watermark your tokens. You can change your token display name, bio of the token whatever you want, and even profile picture and avatar. You can either give it an image or link. Just upload your image to Imager and paste it here, or you can just keep your images in the images folder of the bot assets and it will auto-pick them, but make sure the names of the avatar and profile picture are exactly same as in the config file, or it will not work. Alright, so once you are done with everything, just send the command and the bot will start boosting the server. The speed of boosting depends on your internet or proxy's internet speed. It will boost the server within seconds. As you can see, it completed the boosting process within 3 seconds only. And if we check the accounts, the watermarking is also done very well. Everything is changed what we entered, like name, bio, avatar and even the banner. The bot also has an onliner mode which you can enable or disable from the config file. It is used if you want to keep the accounts online in a server. After boosting, you can view all the boosting details. You can also click the order status link to check your order information or share this link with your customers. And if channel logs are enabled, you'll receive a message with all order details as well, including the order ID, successful and failed tokens, and the server invite link, which is used for keeping track of all orders. You can also download the order details for your records, check the order status, and even copy the failed or success tokens that were used for the boosting. Boost multiple servers command lets you boost multiple servers at once. To use it, run the multiple boosting command and click on boost server. You'll then see a section where you can enter the invite links of the servers you want to boost. By the way, you can go back and copy any server's invite link, then paste it here. The previous links will remain saved. After that, set the boost duration, the number of boosts, and choose whether you want to enable or disable the watermark. Once everything is ready, click the submit button to start the boosting process. And if we check the bot terminal, you can see the boosting is started. Just wait until it is finished. You can see both the servers got boosted successfully. By the way, it took time because the internet is slow. If you have fast internet or hosting in RDP, it will boost in less than 2 seconds as we saw in the previous command. And if you have enabled the automation option, you will receive the details for both boosts. And if we check the boosted accounts, you can see the boosted account is here as well as in the other server. OOTH boosting is done via bot, which means the customer will need to invite your bot to his server in order to get the boosts, and it's best in case your tokens got capture or something. So simply use the command, and then you or your customer will need to invite the bot to their server, which can be done by clicking on the invite button. Once the bot is invited, you'll need the server ID for boosting, so make sure to copy it. You can get it by right-clicking on the server, then copy ID, then click boost server, enter the server ID which you have copied, enter the number of boosts you want such as 2x, 4x, etc. Then choose the stock, 1 month or 3 months, and set watermark to either true or false. Finally, click submit, and the bot will start boosting the server. And you can see the boosting is completed within seconds. Now if we check the server, you can see the boosting account is there, and the bot will automatically leave the server after boosting is done. And if you have enabled the automation logs, you will get all the details about the order as well. The unboost command is used if you want to unboost a server. Simply use the command, then you will need the order ID. You can get the order ID either from the automation channel, your bot output folder, or you can get that from the dashboard, which I will be showing at the end. After copying the order ID, paste it here and send the command, and within seconds the bot will unboost the server. If we check the server, you can see the account is kicked, which means the server will lose the boosts within 2 days. This command is good if you are selling Nitro tokens. Using this command you can send tokens from the bot to user which you want, so simply use the command, then select the user, select stock, and enter the tokens amount you want to send. And within seconds, it will send the stock. You will see the details here, and if we check the DM from the bot, you can see I have received the tokens. This command is used if you want to get full information of the order along with the tokens used in the boosting. Simply use the command and enter the order ID, and once you send the command, you will get all the details as you can see here. The next one is the redeem command. It's used when an order fails for any reason, such as tokens having captchas or other issues. You can use this command to complete the order just by using the order ID. Simply use the command and paste the order ID that failed. The bot will automatically start delivering the missing boosts. For example, if there were 2 failed boosts, it will deliver 2 boosts, and so on. It didn't deliver any failed boosts because the order was already fully completed. That's why it said there are no missing boosts, so you can use the command to deliver any failed boosts. Redeem keys are used if you want to sell boosts using redeem keys. Simply use the create redeem key command, then choose the stock duration 1 month or 3 months. Next, enter the boost amount, like 2x, 4x, or 6x, and specify how many keys you want to create, whether it's just 1, 10, or even 50 at once. Once you send the command, the bot will generate the redeem keys, each containing the boost amount you selected, and you or the customer can use them on the redeem panel to get the boosts. You can repeat this process anytime to create more keys with different stock durations or boost amounts. Now to get the redeem panel where customer can redeem the key, you can use the redeem panel command. Select the channel where you want to send the redeem panel embed, and once you send the command, the bot will send the redeem panel embed message to that channel. You can click the redeem panel button and it will redirect you to here. This is where you or your customers can redeem your key and get the boost. You or the customer will need to paste the redeem key here, then their server invite link which they want to boost, and an email address so they can receive the order status after its completion. And there are some other optional things as well, such as watermarking the tokens, and once done, click redeem and you will receive notification that the key is valid and the boosting process will start. And if we check the bot, you can see the process has started as well, and once the boosting is done, the customer can click on view order status and they will get full info about their order. And if we check the server, you can see the boosting account is here. Now if you want to delete your redeem keys, you can do that from the bot as well. Simply copy the token you want to delete, use the delete redeem key command, then simply paste your redeem key you want to delete and send the command, and your key will be deleted. By the way, you can also check your redeem keys in the assets folder of your bot. You will get all the info if the key is used or not in duration, etc. To set up auto buy, you will need to use the auto buy command, but before that, make sure you have enabled the auto buy in the config file for the website you were setting up as auto buy, such as Paylix, Selloth, Sellapp, etc. If you didn't enable it, your auto buy command will not work. After you are done, simply use the command, then select the website you were setting up. For the showcase, I will select Paylix as that's what I'm using right now, and enter the API key of your shop. You can find your API key in your account settings depending on the website you were using, then select if you were using it as OOTH boosting or normal. I will select normal boosting. The bot will do its work, and if you see this embed, it's mean the auto buy command is successfully completed. And if we check our products on the Paylix dashboard, you can see the product dynamic URL is added, and if we check custom fields are added as well, which are used for boosting purpose. And if we check the config file, you can see the product ID and names are also picked. Now whenever someone make a purchase on the website, the bot will automatically send boosts to the server which was given by the customer during checkout. Setup auto buy tokens is used if you want to sell Nitro tokens as well. Just use the command, then select the site you want, and paste the API key and send the command, and in a few seconds the bot will automatically pick the products. Make sure your products' names are exactly like this. Now whenever someone make purchase on the website, the bot will automatically deliver the tokens to the customer email, and you don't need to do any manually work. The bot also has a built-in token checker that lets you check your tokens. Simply use the command and send it, and the bot will start checking the tokens, and once done, you will get all the info about your tokens, such as valid tokens, invalid tokens, used tokens, etc. And the output will be sent to output folder from where you can copy your tokens easily. The last two are normal commands, whitelist and unwhitelist. For the whitelist, just use the command. You will then get the options for user and role. So from the user option, select the user that you want to give permission to, and from the role option, select the role that you want so they have permissions to use the bot commands. Now for the unwhitelist, just use the unwhitelist command and select the user and role that you want to remove from the whitelist. After doing this, they will not be able to use the commands such as boosting servers and etc. Alright, to access the dashboard, you'll need to use an access code. This code is automatically sent to your automation channel every time you open your BoostBot. So, just copy the access code. Then, in your browser, search for boostbot.online. You'll see a login page like this. This is where you'll need to paste the access code to log into your dashboard. Just paste the code and click on Access Dashboard, and you'll see something like this. On the first page, you'll see details such as your total orders, how many orders you've had in the last 24 hours, and how many boosts you've delivered, and some other details. If you go to the orders section, this is where you'll find all your orders in full details, like total orders you have made, how many boosts were successful, total boosts and completed boosts, and you will also see the details of all the orders, whether they are failed, partially completed, or fully completed. You can click on each order to see all the details, such as the invite link, boost duration, and both failed and successful tokens, which you can easily copy. In the suggestions section, you can provide suggestions to us. In the bugs section, you can report a bug if you've encountered any. There's also a chat section where you can chat with all the other BoostBot users. And finally, the dashboard settings is where you can see and check your access code. Change the delivery text. It is the text that gets sent by email when someone makes an order on the website, and add or remove a custom domain if you want for BoostBot updates. So, what are you waiting for? Contact us now and get the best Discord tools.